Alright, I'm back. Yay, look, this is going to be a fast go through. This is what my table looks like now. It's kind of messy in here, but that's okay because I'm watching Christmas videos and doing this at the same time, and it is Christmas Eve, just to let you know. But that's where that building, that part of the building I just built, that floor, went on top of. So as you can see, it just fits on top of there, and it's still popping up on this one end if you can see it. It's not popping down, but I can fix that in a minute. But you see how it pops in, and it just sits on the floor right there like that, and that's really cool. So I just wanted to show you how that looks and everything. And yeah, it's gonna be a pretty tall building. And here's all my characters that came with this, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, Lego fanatics, we're back. We got some parts here, so we're gonna keep moving and rocking and rolling. I'm gonna go to this one. I'm gonna put this together like that. And I'm gonna need this piece like this. Got that together like that. And this one's gonna go like that. This is gonna go like that. And then like that. This is gonna go on here. And we're gonna get another one on there. I think. No, I'm sorry. That's not right. Like this. Okay. And this one. And this one is gonna go. No. This is gonna go on here. So if you can't tell, I think we're building the front facade for that next layer. So now, I need to go over here. Oh. That. This is going to go like that. That one looks like that. And then this going right here, like that. Okay. So then there's going to be this. This one's going to go here. And this is going to go here, right? Yep. This is right like that. And there's this piece, which is going to go right there. This one's going to go there like that. Okay. So I'm going to put this down for a minute because I need to put these together. Like this. That. I'm going to do this again. 2, 3, like that. And then there's this extra window. And this is going to go on this side. And this one is going to go on this side. Okay, like that. And this one here. Okay, so this one's gonna go here. That. this is going to go right here like that. And then this. Wow. Okay. Oh, I see what it did. No. Got it. So this is definitely going to go like this. I skipped something. So this little hook, which is being difficult. There we go. Put that on like that. So see that little hook thing there is going to be where something's going to connect. And then I'm going to take this and go like that. That pulls it all together, right? Okay, so now I have to build these. And they're going to have to go offset of each other because it's going to go in the corner. Yeah, just like that. Then I need one more together just like this. This is going to go on the end one like that. Okay, that. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm going to see in the next video, because now you're going to see we're going to build some windows together. This is going to be so cool when it gets done. So I will thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.